Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good evening. Welcome to our news, Star News. Now we have an issue occurs at JASIN MELAKA. That is environment issue. This issue had long time occurs, but still in issue in category. Okay, the environment issue had two category air pollution. The first is primary and second is secondary issue. The first primary is pollutant harmful chemical which enter direct into atmosphere. While second air pollutant harmful chemical from the substance has been released into atmosphere. For example, ozone depletion. Proceed the interview with the researchers from Science and Technology Department UAP, Miss Aina binti Azmi.
Aina binti Azmi, Doctor Science and Technology Department from UAP. There are many solutions how to protect the environment during construction. Local authorities have many powers during the construction, including planning, environmental service, and building control. In the planning department, workers establish many of the local plans under planning legislation. These are enable control over the construction areas. They are also have to design and specification the buildings to protect or to reduce the effect of the global warming. Also have to minimization the pollution during construction, such as turning the water off for drainage before it is discharged into the sea or to the residential areas. Secondly is the minimizing any waste products such as timber, metal and bridge to reduce the pollution dumping into the landfill sites. Lastly is the industry should monitor their air emission regularly to reduce the global warming occurrence.
The second person interview student, that is Muhammad Akif Lukman.
Here are two major facts to know about the impact of the construction industry on the environment. First, global warming. The construction industry can be held accountable for this to a large extent. Second, pollution. The construction industry produces pollutant in many forms and during different phases of construction. Some waste and pollutant the construction industry produce include toxic elements and carbon dioxide. One way to reduce this waste is by establishing a proper system for recycling and reuse. Ensuring to sustainable construction would be another effective way to save energy and resources.
The next interview is from Assistant Manager of Environment Quality, Miss Nur Farahiyah binti Ibrahim.
I am Nofar binti Ibrahim, Assistant Manager from Environment Quality. Actually, the cases that happen in JASIN MELAKA is involved in the Act of 127 under the section of 34A. Actually, if we look in the Act book, actually the license of the construction can be suspended, and every construction site need to provide truck wash so that they can wash the truck tire. Actually, it is one way to less the effect of the dust. Besides that, the purpose of the sewage to need to build in every construction site is so that it can securing the safety of the workers. In these cases, minister need to consulting with the council in order to prescribe any activities which may be significant environment impact. The first step that need to report is report these cases to the Director General, so that Director General can examine the report and make such inquiries as he considers necessary. The second step is the measure to be undertaken to prevent, reduce or control the adverse impact on the environment are adequate. And the last step that need to do is inform the person intending to carry out the pre-described activities and the relevant approving authorities.
Lastly, we had interview from Manager of Malaysian Environment Department, Muhammad Aziz Alfa.
Based on that case, the main problem happened at concession area is the air pollution. The worst problem may happen is when the trucks transporting sand commute to the site project, causing serious air pollution. The major source of dust emissions are on transporting process. The dust tends to occur during loading and unloading and stacking of sands and gravel material. Why do we need EIA? EIA is essentially a planning tool to prevent environmental problems due to an action. It seeks to avoid costly mistakes in project implementation, either because of the environmental damage that are likely to arise during project implementation, or because of modification that may be required subsequently in order to make the action environmentally acceptable. In Malaysia, EIA is required under Section 34A Environmental Quality Act 1974.